Hello, modern art students. I am very excited to have all of you join me on this art history journey this quarter, and I would like to share a little Canvas tour to help you get acclimated to the class and how to navigate through this class online. My hope is that this would kind of imitate an introduction that I would share if we were in the face-to-face classroom. So to begin navigating the class, you'll land on the welcome page. And this will tell you a little bit about me as a teacher, what my expectations are for the class, and that will really help to set you up for success. If you're very new to Canvas, there's also some links and things to help you navigate. So if you notice at the bottom, there's a link to the Start Here module, the syllabus, and I recommend that you read through the syllabus. It's got everything in there from how to contact me, how I grade, what are the course objectives, campus resources, tutoring, library, writing center, and our class schedule. There's also a link to our introduction discussion. So you can come back, every time you land here, you can use this to help you navigate. But after the first week, that's going to change to our module page. Oh, and I should mention, if you are navigating on a cell phone, this will look somewhat different, or tablet or iPhone. They're each different operating systems. And even though you can access Canvas from a tablet or cell phone, it looks really different. And I would suggest at some point, especially if you're working on turning in your assignments, that you come to a desktop or laptop so that you can see the full navigation. You can see all of the modules, and they are kind of like folders. It's just a fancy word for folder. The modules contain all of our learning materials, including all of your readings. We have an open education resource, which is a collection of articles and also videos. All of the information that would be in the traditional chapter of a book, you will find in the reading and viewing materials. So you'll have some each week. Each module also comes with a brief summary at the beginning, which tells you what we're going to be learning, and also your assignments for that week. The first module comes with some extra things to help us learn to use Canvas. The discussions, we use discussions a lot. We also read and respond to each other's discussions and share images of artwork. There's a brief Meet the Teacher and a syllabus check to make sure you've read the content of the syllabus. And don't be scared, it's not a big quiz. I've actually changed the name of quizzes to checks because I give you 2 takes on each one. So if you check and you found out you did not know the content, you can go back and get that information and take the check again. On the left, you'll see navigations to home, announcements. You can also go directly to discussions for assignments. Your grades are really important. That's your grade book. Anything that scores below a perfect score, I give you feedback and let you know what you're missing. I also allow you to improve that assignment. You can go back, revisit the assignment, improve things, and resubmit that to also improve your grade. I like to encourage everyone to reach their full potential, and this is all about growth and learning. So I try to reflect that with my grading policy also. You can navigate using the navigation bar here. You can also kind of walk through the modules. Each item, if we take a look at the summary for the week, the first week, you can see it's giving us a description of what we're doing. some tips for success, and all the vocabulary that we need to know. At the bottom of that page, you see a next and previous. So when you finish an item, you can also scroll next, and it will take you to the next either learning tool or learning activity. I recommend that every week you come here to the summary and you write down the terms to know. I pull everything from the discussions and the checks from this list. So if you take notes on this list, you will be prepared for all the assignments coming up this week. I'm also available this week for our first class meeting. We have virtual class meetings online, and you will find a link coming in your first announcement. If you ever lose an announcement, you can also come back and you'll see all of the announcements listed there. So you should receive this in your email. Also make sure you're checking email regularly and you have your Canvas email. You can actually set that up to come to your inbox. And that's a good thing to do because a lot of the teachers online, we use these announcements kind of regularly each week to let you know what's coming up. So I hope to see you tomorrow morning. Our virtual class meetings are every Monday from 9 until 10 a.m. Please don't worry if you miss this first class meeting. I'll be sharing some notes, and we will meet every Monday. So if you miss this meeting, please come and say hello to me next Monday. And I'll be there every Monday from 9 until 10 a.m. Well, I hope that this helps you to navigate the course and get off to a great start. I look forward to meeting all of you in the introduction discussion. Let me know, who you are and share with each other. Let's all get to know each other, and so that we can really create a positive and safe environment for learning where we can all learn and grow together. All right. Welcome, and I look forward to meeting you virtually. Thank you. Bye-bye.